Hi, my name is Claudia Luke, and I'm the director at the Center for Environmental Inquiry at Sonoma State University, and I'm also one of the founders of the Virtual Field. The Virtual Field is a collaboration among field stations and marine laboratories across the globe who are all working on making virtual field experiences for a broad audience. Now, one of the projects we make is the Ecosystem Exploration video series, and it's helping students to learn to observe and communicate and think critically about why ecosystems look the way they do. This video is the third in a series of 5 instructional videos, and it also accompanies a 10-step worksheet that will help you to create your own ecosystem video. And the way to find that is very simple. Here you are on the Virtual Field website. You click on Contribute Content. The first project on the page is the Ecosystem Exploration video series, and step 3 shows you and gives you a link to the 10-step worksheet. So just click on that 10-step worksheet. It opens up to the introduction page. In previous videos, we have identified an ecosystem that we're going to film. We've identified key characteristics of that ecosystem. Then we gathered equipment and we practiced taking a video. And in this video, we're then going to describe exactly what is in the video. This is the basis for our next steps with creating educational content. So step 5, I'll click on the step 5 tab down below. So as I mentioned, in this step, you're going to create a description of what you filmed in the video. What you stopped to show us, those 6 stops, and also why you chose to film it. It's a little bit duplicative of your second step, but really this is something might have changed when you got out into the field. So let's just start at the beginning. This should be pretty quick and we can clean it out pretty quickly. So first column here is a timestamp. That's where did you stop? So because you were standing there for about 10 seconds, this might also be a range in time. So it might be something like 1 minute 20 seconds to 1 minute 30 seconds in your video. So all you need to do is to watch your video and record the timestamp when each of those features appears. Okay, then in column 2, this is just a brief written description of what you're showing us, just for tracking purposes. Oh, I stopped to look at an animal burrow. I stopped to look at some poles, whatever it might be. Just write it down so you remember what it is. And then finally, the last column, you just put in what it is that you were showing us. What was that specific characteristic feature of the ecosystem? What are you representing? So if you stop to look at a leaf, this might be you're looking at drought adaptations in the final column. So go ahead and fill that out. That's it for this video. And in the next video, we're going to take this worksheet here and develop the educational content that appears on the website for the ecosystem exploration videos. I'll see you there.